Welcome back to A Better Way Recipes. Today we're going to do a smoothie using the natural whey protein concentrate. Nothing added to it. It's just straight whey protein concentrate. So it's awesome for mixing with stuff like smoothies. That way you're tasting whatever it is that you put in the smoothie. It's awesome for baking as well. We'll do some recipes on that later time. But today we're going to use the natural. Again, 25 grams of protein per serving, no sugar added. So you can trust that it doesn't have any of that extra sugar or added flavors or anything like that to take away from the smoothie that you're making. So all right, let's start. What we're going to do is we're going to take 8 ounces of our liquid. The liquid can be anything of your choice. You can have milk. You can use almond milk, oat milk. You can use water if you like. It depends on if you like it creamy, then you want to add some sort of milk to it. If you like a little thinner, then water is what you want to go with. But today we're going to go with the milk. Then we're going to take a cup of ice. Add the cup of ice to it. Then we're going to take our natural whey protein concentrate powder. Add that to it. And then whatever berries you like. This is a berry medley. It's frozen berries because we want a nice thick smoothie. So we're going to use frozen berries. So we got the frozen berries and we've got the ice in there. That'll make it nice and thick. All right, we're going to use our Ninja again today. And on our setting that we use here, we have a blend setting, and it'll just go through so many seconds of blending. So here we go. Hey, just want to jump in here real quick for a second to remind you to hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate it. We thank you for your support. To be notified of more recipes, click that bell. Thank you. Enjoy. Alrighty, 40 seconds of loud noises. All right. Oh, that looks nice and thick. All right. Man. Okay, look how nice and thick that is. That's because you're using the frozen berries. In this case, like I said, it's a berry medley. You can use whatever you like. But in this case, we're using the natural, so it's not going to take away any of the flavors of the berries in this case. Nice and thick. Oh, delicious. You got the sweetness of the berries in there. You got the protein, so 25 grams of protein. Plenty of nutrients in there, and I'm tasting the berries. So the natural doesn't take away the taste of the berries. That is really nice and thick. It's cool, nice and refreshing. That's awesome. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and hit that notification. So anytime we do a new blend, a new smoothie, a new recipe, you'll get notified from it. And enjoy. This is great for if you're going to do a in-between meal snack, or sometimes too, if you need a meal replacement. It's an awesome meal replacement, or an after workout smoothie. These are awesome, especially when it's hot out and everything else. Nice and refreshing, great tasting smoothie. That's glorious. Enjoy.